how to set access notes from lock screen on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to notes. In notes, scroll down again and below you can see the lock screen and control center section. Okay, you can see here the access notes from lock screen. To set the access note from lock screen, okay, you can tap this and you can see the option. The access note from lock screen is set into off. So you can set into always create new note, or you can set into resume last note. So I decide to set into always create new note. So if you set this, always create a new note when pressing the note control in control center. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the access notes from lock screen on iPhone X.